In this video, I show you how to highlight a field in a table when the value of the field matches a set of criteria. This can be particularly helpful when you want to color code a value, setting it to green when it's good or red when it's bad. Or you may want to draw attention to a field when the value needs to be called out. For the end user working with your table, conditionally highlighting fields can make it much easier for them to scan the tabular data and see which record needs their attention. To use this functionality, first, you need to create the style variants for the field in the Design System Studio. So open your design system and under Components, find Field. Then you can create the style variants that you need. Here I have 3 variants, one with yellow background for highlighting, one with green text for acceptable values, and another one with red text for unacceptable values. Then in the Squid page, I like to highlight the field with yellow background if the email needs to be reset. So I select the field and I'll go to the Display Logic tab and add a style variant condition for this field as so. Additionally, I have a template field that is yes or no if an employee completes the training, and I'd like to set it to green and red accordingly. So for this field, I'll set the default style to green, and then I'll go to the Display Logic tab and add the style variant condition to switch the text color to red if the field is false or if the employee hasn't completed the training. Here's another tip. If you'd like to highlight the entire row based on the same set of criteria, you can apply the same style variant condition to all the fields in the row. And that's it for this week's tip on how to highlight the field conditionally without any code, using the style variants from the design system and style variant conditions in the Display Logic tab on the Squid Page Composer. Thanks for watching and see you next time.